gon' give me hype. Write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price.
Hey everyone, it's Aiden aka BabyJ, and I'm back in my cheetah print bonnet as always with another video. Today this video is on the OUTRE Kimani Wig. That's what it looks like. If you want the same color as me, it is 3D RFF Butterfly Blonde. Okay, I have really been into blonde lately, especially blonde on darker skin. Like, I think we pull off that look like no other. So we're gonna try it on. When I was younger, everybody used to say like, oh, dark skinned girls shouldn't wear blonde hair. Shut up. Alright, anyways, so this is what it looks like. I am going to speed up the process of me installing my wigs. If you are curious about me installing my wigs, you can refer to any of my other videos. It's kind of pretty self-explanatory. Because I'm hooking y'all up, y'all should hit me with a like, a comment. Let me know if you end up liking the wig, or if you buy it yourself. Let me know in the comments down below, because I like to know that stuff. So anyways, let's get started. Oh, it looks like it comes with baby hairs. Look. Wow, this is a really pretty blonde. It's a different kind of blonde. It's actually a kind of blonde that I'm a little bit more comfortable with, but let's see how it looks, y'all. Let's just go for it. So pause for my little montage. Hold up. This, when I say wow, baby, girl, buy this. Like, the only thing I would say honestly is, like, you know, sometimes for those who know what I'm talking about, for those who wear synthetic wigs, you know that sometimes hair be itchy. Like, some hair textures be itchy. That's kind of how this wig feels to me. I don't know if that makes sense to anyone, but the corn lady, I live in the hood, so you already know corn lady be in the hut, baby. This bang, like, okay, so this is like basically a wig that's meant to be in a side part. It only has parting space in that little part, but this bang is working like it's a lace front. It's not even like tangling like that. It's long synthetic wig, so of course it's going to tangle. I've been playing with my hair this whole time and have had no problems. I play with them on screen so that y'all can see what it looks like if you keep playing with your hair. And girl, the only thing I would say about this wig is it's not like ear to ear. it's definitely not ear to ear. Like, it don't reach all the way to my ear, so you can kind of see a little bit of the black peeking through. If it really bothers you, you can make yourself a little fox sideburn. You guys see me install it. Like, you take with what you will. Okay, so the details about this wig, in case y'all didn't know, this is a synthetic wig, so it's no more than like $30 or $40. I'ma check and I'ma leave the price. I feel like this is acting a lot better than a lot of other like lighter or blonde synthetic wigs that I have had. It's not tangling up immediately. It feels like it could last a good amount of time. Let me show y'all the back. I got a little ponytail back there, so if y'all see that, I'm sorry. You want to try a softer blonde first before you go for the rough and tough. For that 613, baby. Try this out. And then you'll fall in love with blonde like I have. In the cons, to me, you know, longer synthetic wigs usually tangle faster. It is knotting a little bit in the nape area. Like, it's getting a little tangly back there. But other than that, it's fine. Another con I would say is the flyaways. Like, this wig has heck of flyaways. I mean, it's fine, but it has heck of flyaways. The other con that I don't like is that it doesn't go ear to ear. But let's get into these pros. This color, a pro. The style, a pro. It has like hard lace. It wasn't like soft lace, it was like hard lace. I wouldn't say that the lace is necessarily a con, but I don't really like hard lace that much. This lace is working fine, so I don't really have much else to say about this wig, y'all. So I'm gonna give y'all a little montage action and then I'm gonna head out. Buy this wig. Period. That's all I gotta say. Love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I just put y'all onto this bomb affordable wig, so like, comment, and subscribe, please, beautiful.